The commercial two-door under-counter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge. The commercial two-door under-counter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge is most likely your best bet if you're on the lookout for the best commercial under-counter refrigerator. The manufacturers have designed the exterior and interior of this under-counter refrigerator with reinforced steel that makes sure this unit is extremely durable. Furthermore, by operating with a 1/7 horsepower refrigeration system, you get optimal performance with this appliance. The stable temperature also makes sure that all your food items and beverages are safely stored in an ideal environment, and the product quality is not compromised. Owing to its under-counter design, you can add refrigerated storage in the commercial two-door under-counter refrigerators KITMA 13.5 cubic foot stainless steel side-by-side worktop fridge to store food items and other ingredients without the need for additional space. Hence, you can save yourself a lot of kitchen space by placing several cooking countertop utensils on top of the refrigerator. Now here's some pros. Its compact size makes it ideal for home kitchen use. The refrigerator top can easily support heavy-duty equipment, and the casters make it easy to clean and service the refrigerator. Now here's a con. There's no glass door, so you can't see the refrigerator contents from the outside.